Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10D home alarm system cellulars of 2021. The list starts from Caruya upgraded standalone home office shop security alarm system kit, wireless, loud, indoor, outdoor, weatherproof. It's the expandable home burglar security alarm system. This alarm horn support up to 30 PCS, wireless detectors, 8 remote key fobs, 4 doorbell buttons, loud up to 115 decibels, deluxe door alarm system for peace of mind. It's loud SOS alarm and easy to get. Help children and seniors at home in emergency. Press the SOS button of the remote controller, which will trigger the siren alarm up to 115 decibels to notice neighbors or other families in home, so that they will get help in time. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Smart Security System Wi-Fi Alarm System Kit, wireless, with app push and calling. It's the main controller hub is responsible for connecting with all of the sensors. When important entry areas such as windows, doors are opened, or when motion is detected, get instant push alerts on your phone. An alarm will issue a 120 decibels alert. The deterrent alert will scare off the unexpected visitors. Its built-in siren and night light supports expansion of up to 20 PCS sensors and 5 PCS remote controls paired with one main panel hub. If it loses power, it has backup battery to support 8 hours working. It can support rename different zone name, sensors name, and zone property name. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Alarmtech Smart Wi-Fi Alarm System with alarm host, motion sensor and remote smart. It's add detection sensors by scanning QR code and app easily in 1 minute. Allow you to monitor your properties with instant alerts through smartphone of iOS Android to meet your requirements of home security. Its security kit included multi-detection sensors and can be expanded to cover your whole security needs of gate, window, bedroom, balcony, perimeter to protect your family and property 7/24 hours. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, 2-star home alarm system, wireless GSM security system kit, remote control, intelligent LED. Its network support, the alarm panel built-in GSM module. It support GSM SIM card. T-Mobile SIM card can work with our system. This alarm do not including GSM SIM card. When the sensor is triggered, the alarm panel will make an call or send alert message to the alert phone number you set before. The GSM only frequency is 850, 900, 1800, 1900 MHz, which can be applied in L. It's the alarm panel built in on a high rechargeable battery that can last about 8 hours. In the case of power off, the host can continue to work for 8 hours. Door window contacts detect any forceful break-in. Passive motion sensors detect any suspicious movement or activity. Loud, small wired siren up to 110 decibels. Alarm alerts neighbors and deters potential intruders. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. 2-star security system, Wi-Fi alarm system 8-piece kit with app push. It's app control. When important entry areas such as windows, doors are opened, or when motion is detected, get instant push alerts on your phone, and an alarm will issue a 120 decibels alert. The main controller hub is responsible for connecting with all of the sensors. It's compatible and network support. Voice control is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Echo and Google Home Wi-Fi connection, and only works on 2.4 GHz bandwidth. It does not support 5 GHz networks. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi alarm system, door alarm system, wireless, with app push notification, supports Amazon. It's multi-purpose system. The most cost-effective professional wireless security home alarm system kit ever. The built-in magnetic contact sensor and per-motion sensor detect any forceful break-in, then activate the alarm, 0 to 120 decibels, to deter potential intruders. The chime prompt SOS emergency function is perfect for home, business, office, child disabled safety protection.